Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all Hello Spring themed and also in beautiful lavender or violet color. So let's start with DIY number one. I'm going to start with this beautiful tissue paper. I love the florals, butterflies. They're so beautiful and tiny and dainty, and I just love the print. So I just got one of this sign and I painted white chalk paint, and after it dried I just got this beautiful tissue paper. I cut it according to the size of the sign, and I'm using generous amount of Mod Podge, and I'm just applying with this brush like a paint. I'm gently pressing with my fingers to remove any excess air bubbles and also making sure that it is stuck really well, and I'm going to let it dry. And after it is dried, I'm also going to give one more coat of Mod Podge to give like a nice sealant, and it basically seals the tissue paper and also gives like a beautiful matte shine that I'm actually looking for. And this is how it looks after it is dried. Now I'm actually taking sanding paper and I'm sanding down the edges just like so. Now I'm going to work on the letters. This is one of the foam letter booklet which has all the letters. You won't see it. I think if I paint it you'll actually see those letters. I'm just painting using black chalk paint. I'm painting all the letters that I want, and I'm going to let it dry. I removed those letters, and these are the letters I painted. Hello Spring. Now all these letters are stickers, so all you have to do is peel back and then stick it where you want. And I already stuck H, and I'm going to show how it to stick the E. I'm basically having a scale to make it look like come in a straight line, and I'm also going to do the same for spring, and this is how it looks. Now let's make the bow. I have this beautiful pastel blue cotton ribbon, and I also have this pink sheer ribbon. I just cut two pieces and I'm tying both together with the pink and white baker's twine, and I stuck two greenery pieces, and on top of it I'm just taking this bow with the help of a little bit of a hot glue, and I'm also going to decorate some more flowers on top of it. Basically I'm matching all the colors of this tissue paper design, and I also have this lavender color foam flower from another sign. I just am sticking that in center of the bow to finish the look. I just love how this sign turned out. I love the background paper and the colorful design on it, and the bow and greenery and flowers. Everything is complementing each other, and it turned out to be a great sign. I hope you like it. Please let me know your thoughts on this. Let's move on to DIY number two, and this time I'm only going to do two DIYs and all in lavender and spring themed. So I got this beautiful truck, and it has like a nice color that I like, and also has like beautiful flowers. So we are going to decorate it differently, and I'm also going to use this beautiful purple paint on top of the place where the shiny paint is there. I just wanted to dull it down. I want to give like a matte look to it, so I'm just covering that the shiny surface with this purple paint, and also where the top of the tires and some other place in the truck. So this is how it looks after the purple paint is painted on this truck. Now I'm going to take this black Sharpie, and I'm going to write those letters. Those fresh flowers are also having like shiny paint. I wanted to dull that as well, so I'm just going to cover those letters with this black Sharpie, and it also brightened the letters. I can see it, and it's more clear. So I'm also going to take some of these florals from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to decorate all these flowers on the back of the truck, and you're going to see that in a second. This is how it looks after all the flowers are stuck, and I'm very happy with this. All the florals, after the florals are stuck, it just is at a different level. I'm just liking the truck already. And this is one of those graduation section. You find this beautiful yellow faces. I thought I'll give this yellow faces a beautiful look of a bee, and I'm also going to stick that face where the window of the truck is. I just pulled one of the yellow face, and I'm taking a little bit of a hot glue, and I'm going to stick it just behind the window, just showing the face alone. And I'm also going to put the antenna for the bees, those two tiny things that pop out of the head. For the bees antennas, I'm going to use this floral stems and just bending it in opposite direction, and I'm going to cut that down, and I'm also going to use some of the beads to give like a nice antenna effect there. So this is one of the golden bead. I'm taking a little bit of a hot glue, and towards the end of the the stem of the florals, and I'm going to attach this bead, and I'm going to repeat the same process for the other side, and I'm going to stick on top of his head just like that. Before that, I just painted those two antennas with the black chalk paint, and I let it dry. While that is drying, let's make a cute bow. So I created bow with couple of strands of pink burlap ribbon and also some white lace. I brought all these together and created a cute bow, and I just stuck it on top of where the flesh flowers words are there. And I also took some of this white flowers, and I'm going to stick it in the center of the the wheels just like that. And I also attached one wooden bead in the center just like that. And I wanted to decorate the whole truck with flowers because this is a fresh flower truck and our bee is hijacking for making honey. So that's the look I'm going with today. Now the bee's antennas are dried. Using generous amount of hot glue, I'm going to stick both of the antennas on top his head, and he's smiling and is all with his floral truck. Look how cute this whole purple truck with flowers and bee has turned out. I'm so happy with the end result, you guys, and this is one of my favorite today. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. So these are some of the spring purple decor that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And I'm very thankful and grateful to each and every one of you for the constant support that you've been giving. Thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to link some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.